Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of where I create a voice agent end-to-end without cutting any of the video whatsoever, so you guys can see how easy it is to create voice agents now. In last week's episode, we did a voice agent that was connected to GHL. It was able to check the calendar as well as then book the actual slot in too. In this week's episode, I'm going to create something different this time. It'll be a healthcare agent that is HIPAA compliant. So I want to show you guys how you can demo these agents to healthcare prospects that you have in 5 minutes without actually building too many things at once. So what we're going to do first is we're going to create our new flow from business. I've already got a general practice, a GP already looked up. So I'll just press continue. Doesn't matter about the voice, and then we'll just generate the agent. So as usual, I'll wait until the agent is ready to be used. Okay, and we're back. So the agent is now here. First, obviously, we want to always attach our agent to a number. So we can go to our phone numbers, press configure, and we then can go into our CBD doctors and press save. So that's step one done. Next, we want to go into our security settings. So this is where the bulk of HIPAA will lie. How it works is HIPAA is used for compliance in the US where none of the personal or health data can be stored anywhere on the platform. This includes any private data, including any of the logs, any of the recordings, any of the transcripts. Nothing can be stored with regarding to healthcare. So what we want to do is we can enable that. Obviously, we want to disable the public access, but that will be disabled no matter what. And redact transcript will also be offed. You can also use redact transcript if you'd like. It is a bit more risky in my opinion because yes, it will redact the social security number, the account numbers, patient names, diagnosis, date of birth, etc. But in the case where something is not recorded and it wasn't wiped off from the transcript, then you're breaching HIPAA compliance. So there are risks towards using HIPAA redact transcript, So we recommend if you are working with a healthcare prospect, just to enable this toggle, because then you're fully compliant for HIPAA. So obviously we've got that enabled, and then you can just push live. Obviously below you've got the knowledge base, which has already been scraped from the website. That's pretty cool. And then you want to be able to connect it to your business. So we'll go down here, connect it, go Australia, iOS, when I don't answer, we'll scan this QR code. Beautiful. And then now we can go make an outbound call to myself. So let's go call. Let's make the call.
CBD Doctors Melbourne. How can I help you today?
Hello, how are you?
I'm doing very well, thank you for asking. How are you doing today? And how can I help you with our services at CBD Doctors Melbourne?
What services do you guys provide?
At CBD Doctors Melbourne, we provide a wide range of services, including general practice care, women's health, and men's health. We also offer various other medical services, such as children's health clinic.
Okay, I'm just going to end the call there, and I'm just going to wait a few seconds. First, we'll get an email summary with none of the logs, which is great, but then at least that confirms that there was a call made, so that if a doctor did want to try follow up or did understand that there was a call, they can go in and call that person back potentially. So that's part one. Then we'll go into our call history now. We'll just refresh the page. And you can see here that there was none of the transcript and then none of the post call was enabled because HIPAA was there. So we're HIPAA protected, so there's no call ID, there's no call recording. And yeah, that's how we are HIPAA compliant. But overall, it is quite easy to enable. And then obviously you can do anything else you'd like with it. It's a very, very good way to do a prospect call, because you can actually show them how it works and show that none of the data is being stored on the platform. So But yeah, so that's all for in this episode, and hopefully you guys enjoyed. And yeah, please leave a comment if you have any questions, and I'll see you guys in the next episode. See ya.